Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, 2nd grade, Operations and Algebraic Thinking. Repeat and solve problems involving addition and subtraction. Video 2. This video is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save the video first on your computer, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first lesson. Thank you. Problem 1. Please do not pick up the pen until you're told to do so. Find the sum of cats and dogs for Rose and Pam. Rose has 5 dogs and 4 cats. Please write the number of dogs here, the number of cats, then the sum or total here. Number 2. How many pets does Pam have? Pam has 2 cats and 2 dogs. Please write the number of dogs here, the number of cats, and the total sum for Pam here. And number 3, how many pets do Rose and Pam have all together? Write the total number of dogs here, the total number of cats here, and please write the sum or total of the cats and dogs here. Now, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's see how many cats and dogs there are. For number 1, you should have 5 dogs and 4 cats for a total of 9. For number 2, you should have for Pam 2 dogs and 2 cats for a total of 4. And for the last one, the total number of dogs is 7. The total number of cats is 6. Add those together for a sum of 13. If your answers match ours, that is truly outstanding. If you would please, while you are erasing the smartboard, please have another student come up to the board for the very next problem. Thank you. Problem 2. Please do not pick up the pen until you're told to do so. Here is the problem. We have a harbor, and we need to know how many ships are entering the harbor and how many ships are leaving. Over here you'll write the number of ships coming in plus the number of ships that are leaving to give us a total of the number of ships in the harbor area. Then, part 2. Find the total number of ships in the harbor area minus the number of ships that are leaving to determine how many ships are left. Now, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, up here is the answer. We have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 ships leaving, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which equals 10. And for the second part, we have 10 ships total in the area, and minus 5 that are leaving, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which will leave us with 5 left over. If your answer matches ours, that is marvelous. Way to go. Now, while you're erasing the smartboard, please have another student come up for the very next problem. Thank you. Problem 3. Please do not pick up a pen until you're told to do so. You'll notice we have a picture of the planet Mars. What we would like for you to do is count the number of ships that are coming into Mars and the number of ships here that are leaving, and then provide us with the total. Over here, we'd like to write the total number of ships that you see around the planet Mars minus the ships that are leaving and how many ships are left. Now, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, here's what your answer should be. You should have 7 ships coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, with 3 leaving. 1, 2, 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. Over here for subtraction, you should have 10 ships total minus the 3 that are leaving. 10 minus 3 is 7. If your answers match ours, that is amazing. Way to go. While you're erasing the smartboard, please have a student come up to solve the very next problem. Thank you. Problem 4. Again, please do not pick up the pen until you're told to do so. We have wooden soldiers for Tommy, and we have some wooden soldiers for Jim. Add Tommy and Jim's soldiers, then subtract Jim's from the total. You'll notice over here we have a space provided for the total number for Tom, total number for Jim, and also the total wooden soldiers. Over here for subtraction, we have a place provided for the total soldiers minus Jim's wooden soldiers to determine how many soldiers are left. Please pick up a pen now to solve this problem. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have 12 soldiers for Tom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 6 for Jim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 plus 6 is 18. So the total or sum is 18. Now, for subtraction, what you should have had, if you counted both sides, you have 18 minus the 6 that Jim has. 18 minus 6 leaves us 12. 12 soldiers are left. If your answer matches ours, that is truly superior. Way to go. If you would, please pick up an eraser and erase your answers, and we would like to thank you for working with us today on the Common Core.